guys, today we're going to play Roblox with my friends. Okay.
Oh my god!
We
Simon
will
almost
kill them cause they are monkeys. Oh, killed him.
Oh no.
Let's kill this black monkey.
I'm not a monkey.
We're just gonna
What's
kill.
your channel name?
I don't know, I'm gonna think of one. Come here, we're going to. Oh, the monkey killed
I
me.
think
Look at that big yak.
I killed the dog. Oh,
Okay, now we're gonna pick the gun and we're gonna shoot this monkey. Let's go, shoot him. Oh, barrel! Oh no. We are going to shoot. So I'm gonna do 360. Ooh. We did not kill them.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I killed him. I killed the monkey.
Put me all the toxic waste. I'm gonna kill him now.
I'm gonna kill Monkey Siron again kasi is newbie. Oh, I killed Monkey. I'm gonna kill him next. Monkey Siron. I killed Monkey Siron. Let's go. I'm gonna kill Monkey. Yeah. You miss.
This is not a victory royale.
I'm gonna victory royale.
Now, guys,
Shoot him. Oh, patay si Imon.
where is this
Kill
pumpkin?
Monkey.
I'm gonna kill this monkey. Let's go, we kill the monkey, guys. Oh!
We are gonna get revenge on him, guys.
And my uncle is broken.
Okay, we're gonna get revenge on Monkey Siron. Okay. Okay, we found him. We need to kill him. He's monkey. Eh.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
We need to be
You
kangaroo,
want
guys.
to kill me?
We need to be kangaroo.
Let's go, we kill Simon. Almost. We're almost broken and we are victory royale.
We're not gonna let him victory royale cause he is ugly. And I'm gonna get the victory royale. I killed Simon. Where is that monkey?
Let's go, we got victory royale.
Okay, guys, this will be the end of my video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Adios, amigo.